Welcome back to Truck U. So we're finally at the point now where we're ready to put the lift kit in the new Tundra. But we got a small issue, and it's right here. The lift is currently occupied that we need to use, right?
Well, the issue is we're taking on a lot of projects. You know what I mean?
are.
You get a place where you only have so much space and so many lifts, and you got to kind of start shifting stuff around.
One day we need to small up and simple down. But here's the deal. All kidding aside, we've got to get this out of the shop, and he's got a small exhaust leak right there on the back corner of the tailpipe, and we're going to treat that quick and easy.
You know, J-B Weld is the answer for this problem. You know, it's a name that's been around the industry forever. It's always got a quick fix for your problems. Well, now they're offering a high-strength fiberglass wrap. Now, the wrap is impregnated with a resin that is designed to harden like steel. So what you've got right here is the FiberWeld as well as the ExhaustWeld. Now, the FiberWeld itself fits all different kinds of applications, whether it's a radiator, a heater hose, a vacuum line, trans lines, exhaust tips. What it'll do is you soak it in water and you let it sit there for a matter of seconds, wrap it around the place where you need to patch, and it'll harden like steel within 15 minutes. And it has a pressure rating of 100 psi. It'll hold as well as 400 degrees. Now, when you want to get to the high temp stuff, that's where the ExhaustWeld comes into play.
Yeah, it's pretty much very similar in the application, only this goes up to 1100 degrees, and it is packaged a little differently. Of course, we ripped them open because we wanted to see what was inside, right? So we're going to use the ExhaustWeld.
Now, it'll cure in just 20 minutes with heat, without heat, 2 hours, and it'll be strong like steel.
So the main difference in the two products is the ExhaustWeld doesn't need to be activated in the water. It's actually activated by you kneading it when it's in the pouch.